Hello guys, good morning. It's almost 9:30 in the morning. It's 23rd of April. So today I woke up at around 8 tonight. I also slept quite late. I was watching something on phone itself. So yeah, didn't go for a walk in the morning. I usually go to the gym, but yeah, my gym membership has been expired. So I'm planning on making a home gym with minimal setups. And but I do have 52 kgs of the weights, which I was gonna sell for some 2k amount. But yeah, let's not do that. Let's make some money. Let's go to shop and let's make money, boys. And yeah, I did some 50 push-ups only. So one more thing, guys. I was thinking of starting online personal training, something like that shit, because I think I have enough knowledge about fitness and exercise. Of course, I don't have any certification, but yeah, I know pumps and all. So yeah, I'm just thinking about it right now. And yeah, when you do guys push-ups, make sure your shoulder blades and properly tucked in. Make sure you're not getting any pressure on the shoulder blades and all. Make sure it's focused on chest. So that is it. I'll go take a shower now, have some breakfast, and then freshen up. I'll smoke one cigarette. I have enough small amount of weed left, so I got money today. So now I'll go and buy some weed in the afternoon or maybe in the evening. And let's see. Let's get freshen and I have something like that. So I'll see you guys. Hello guys. It's 1:11 p.m. in the afternoon. It's 23rd. You can see it's so I'm feeling on low on energy. I don't know why, because I'm so high right now. So it's so hot in the area. Sun is so sun and wind. What I think is I need to clear this terrace shop. I need to sweep all of it, because let's make this place something cleaner, and let's make a home gym. Let's get a boxing bag. Let's buy some dumbbell pairs and we'll see how it goes. It's some money, guys, and I don't know what to talk right now, because yeah, I'm gonna go to other village and buy some stash right now, because I do have some few money. So let's see how it goes. Now I'll go get something, get freshen up and have something for lunch, and I'll go. Yeah, then I'll see you. What's around? See you around. See you. Hello guys, good evening. It's almost past 6 p.m. in the evening. It's 23rd of April. So earlier what I was doing is I just to the last minute I just smoked a cigarette and had some tea. So we are not going to the gym, guys. We are going forward planning to make a home gym setup, like minimal budget setup, and let's see. I'm not feeling like vlogging today, but yeah, we gotta do what we gotta do. There's no other way around. So that's why I'm saying this shit. So yeah, our plan for today was to clean the terrace, but yeah, let's postpone it. I was gonna go get a haircut again. Instead, I told the barber, yeah, the same. If not, I didn't like it, so I gotta get it cut again. There's no issue in that. So, but now I will be going. I'll smoke some, weed, and then by 9 p.m. I'll go cut my hairs again. Let's see how it goes. And right now I'll just smoke again in the afternoon. So I went to another city and brought some weed, and let's see. You can see, I'll show you the evening golden hour. It's not quite golden hour at the evening, but yeah, after 1 or 30-40 minutes it would be the best. But yeah, right now also it's looking so shiny and it's nice, beautiful view. So that is it, guys. I hope you are doing well, and yeah, that is it. I'll see you. Peace out, guys. I hope you can see the view. Sun is about to set, maybe in half an hour right now. So this is the view, guys. So yeah, this is what I just made right now. I'm gonna smoke this right now, and I will see you guys.